entrepreneur, the maker of taste. And here we have unboxing with taste. Today, we're doing a very, very special sneaker, but not one, both of them. These were actually gifted to me when I hit the rank of Chairman 10, guys. When I hit the rank of Chairman 10, so it's something very dear to me, and I waited all my life to have these sneakers. I've been seeing these sneakers since middle school, but only the drug dealers had them, and only kids who had families that were wealthy, that made over 100,000. Me, sadly, I came from the Dominican Republic, Dominican immigrant, low-income housing. So there is no way my parents were gonna pay $700 for a pair of sneakers when they barely had money to eat. So being able to be a successful entrepreneur and being able to have these sneakers finally after 10 years, you see, instant gratification is not for everybody. Some of us really have to work to get what we have. So let me show you right here, guys. Let's start right here. As you can see, Prada, beautiful, beautiful brand. I love them, guys. The packaging is amazing. Beautiful. Look at this masterpiece, guys. Look at this masterpiece. Wow. And it's matching what I'm wearing. Because I actually bought this hat to wear it with this. Made in Italy, guys. These are amazing, amazing sneakers. You can have the high top version or the low top version. Either way, you know you have an amazing, amazing sneakers. For those who like blue on blue, you also have blue laces that come with the sneakers, so you can interact, mix and match as much as you want. But these sneakers, guys, I've been wanting them for literally 10 years of my life, since I was in the 7th grade. As you can see, we have a beautiful blue patent leather with the white and silver mesh, guys. You see how much this stands out, and then we have the red Prada sign in rubber. So we have the contrast of the three colors, and me being Dominican, these are my colors right here. So you know, definitely it resonates with me, and it resonates with us. Amazing, amazing shoe. Definitely you could get, like I said, the low top version of this, the high top version of this. You can get these sneakers non-patent leather, just blue leather, whichever is best for you. But I like this pop. I like that it pops. I like that it has a beautiful look to it. And out of 10, I give these 100, because these are very dear to me. So these Pradas, to me, are 100 out of 10. But we're not done yet. We're not done, because I couldn't just only get one. You know how we do it on this side. We couldn't only have one. We said, okay, we're gonna get one. Look at this beauty. Also, you have your Prada bag all the way in the bottom of this. Matter of fact, let me show you guys how to do it. Because your sneakers could collect dust. This is waterproof, dust proof. And you just put your sneakers in here. Look, this is a super big bag, able to fit both. Very beautiful, very useful, and you see the material. It's like when you have rain clothes. So definitely very, very effective for the weather, guys. So let's get on to our second pair of Pradas. And these are, I call them the Black Album. These are the Black Album to me. These are all black on black, same patent leather Pradas with the leather and the mesh with the rubber red Prada. So these, I love these sneakers because you dress them down. You could wear this to a very expensive event. You could dress them up. You can wear it a little bit more on the casual side. Whatever you're looking to do, you can put a leather jacket with this, a fur coat with this, a moose knuckle with this, a Canada Goose with this. But my favorite, which I will be doing this winter, is the Black Maya Montclair. We're gonna get the black one for these and the blue one for those. So we're gonna show you how that looks like, guys, and it's gonna look beautiful. You can wear black jeans with this, blue jeans with this, white jeans with this. The next time I wear these sneakers, I'm gonna get black wax snakeskin jeans to wear with these. I'm gonna show you what that looks like, and you're gonna love. And this too, this gets 100 out of 10, guys. This is a perfect sneaker. There's nothing wrong with this. Very clean, very slick, very chic, and you can't mess this up. It's all black. There's no creases on them. You can wear them as much as you want. They're gonna last you a long time. And again, they have the low top version, black with patent leather. They have the low top version, all black leather. And you have these. This is a masterpiece, guys. And when you mess up the laces, you got another pair. Because this is what Prada provides for you. Quality. Quality sneakers. They're gonna last you a long time. So guys, definitely check these out. Check these out. Go to Saks Fifth Avenue and check these out. Right now we're in the quarantine, so go to SaksFifthAvenue.com and get yourself a pair. You would definitely enjoy these sneakers. Again, is your host, the maker of taste, unboxing with taste. Let's kick off an amazing experience.